Today on the journey, we're visiting the Jade Factory.
Yay!
So they just showed us the prices of jade and all this stuff. That's what that was. There was no cameras allowed in there. So now they're taking us through the factory to show us the process of making the jade. This should be fun.
In the beginning, when I got the stone, I saw just this part. This beautiful purple color. No brown, yeah? Okay, the guy polished this this part. In one stone, yeah? The majority of it would be
So, we couldn't do much filming in the Jade Factory, which is kind of what this vlog was about. A lot of their pieces they wouldn't let us film because they were like little Buddha statues, and I guess it may be like a religious thing. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either. What we did end up buying was a replacement promise ring from Nick to Rachel, not Rachel to Nick, and it looks like this.
I love it.
Yeah. So the stone here is more expensive than the diamonds on either side of it.
But it's real.
Yeah, it's real jade certified.
But the jade here would be way less expensive than the jade you can buy anywhere else.
It still wasn't cheap. Definitely a lot cheaper to get it here than it would be in America.
Definitely.
So, and plus the promise ring that I bought Rachel was kind of like, it was only like $40 on Amazon. So I'm glad that we got this one. And Rachel loves Thailand, and it's just
it's sentimental.
Yeah, it's a sentimental thing for Rachel, so.
It's special. And I love it.
So the rest of our day will look like hanging out in Thailand.
We're gonna eat lunch at one of the malls, and then we're gonna go back to our place just to relax for a couple hours, and then we're gonna go to the night bazaar, and that's where we'll spend the majority of our baht getting souvenirs and stuff that we can take home to our families.
Yeah, and we'll take another vlog of that.
Oh yeah.
For separate, because the night bazaar I think will be really cool.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
Something that you would never see in the States.
And you get free iced coffee here at the Jade Factory.
They gave us a whole free iced coffee. And like they give you free
Ooh, that one's sweet.
Coke and
that one's not bitter like the first one. All right. Well, see you later.